In this video on my TXT controller and robot, I want to focus on the problem that I had last time, which is that the pictures are being taken, but that the motors for some reason do not run. And considering the fact that only camera action 4 is being taken and actions 0 up till 3 are within the while loop, which is being skipped, that means that here for some reason is something going on. Although none of this code has been changed recently, except for adding the camera action, I have to find out why this is happening. So that is the focus for this time. So in order to check if the while conditions are anyway detected, I am going to see if I can use Robo Pro to check on it. And it has contact. Let's see. That works. That works. And for the last one I have to select ultrasonic, and that works as well. So the physical wiring is quite okay, although the connection says sometimes slow running, but that it just indicates that everything is working, and that is what is important. So let's get back to Python. And see if I can run this thing. No, oh. And here I have to cut it short because I have to change something. No, because it gets the date automatically, of course. So let's see that it works. And again, only image 4 is being transferred. So the question is, why is that happening? Everything is 0, contact 1, 0, 0, 0, and here the while loop says 0. It checks on 0. So it's a very odd thing. And something that may be the case is No, because the code I experimented first, just in the end, is all commented out. So that is of no influence at all. And everything is indented correctly because I get no errors in here. So let me check everything without the camera action. Commenting every camera action out. And let's see what happens then. A broken pipe. It looks like a problem in the motor config. And that is very strange, because now I can see that motor is TXT and the problem is that is here an initialization, or more correctly an assignment. So TXT motor 2 is assigned to variable motor links. And if that goes wrong, a motor will not run. Although it's far from consistent here again. And on the display, nothing wrong is being detected except for a short flashing program online running. But this is something I have to check out. So that's up next. And considering the fact that it gives a motor update problem, I can use Pro again to check the motor. So I take the interface test and with output 1 there's a good response. Output 2, which is the reverse, is a good response. And the other motor gives a good response. And the other side, other way around as well. Meanwhile, here are some slow connection issues. But I have no idea if that is of influence of the motor issue in Python. Anyway, this test is sufficient. Let's see for one more test. And once again, it is only image camera action 4 that is being performed. So this is quite a nuisance. and since I have checked both motors and the contacts and sonar, there's no way in telling at this moment where things go wrong. So that is unfortunately for another time to find out. But as you can see, once again, that experiments are not always going the way they're expected and supposed to go. So thank you for watching, and to be continued for certain.